Hi everybody. This is Ram Sudhir. Welcome to our platform. See, this video is basically for mains 2020. I just wanted to take 5 minutes of your time. Many students we are correcting answer sheets and we are guiding them. Those who have cleared the prelims especially, and we have around some 65 days right now. So I just wanted to put my viewpoints. I think this will help students who are writing the exam this year, and also it will guide people who are preparing for the next year as well. The whole logic here is, first of all, let's understand that if you see the previous year's scores, okay, and let's understand in GS, in general studies, the most difficult paper that is to be completed is ethics. Okay, and it is also quite scoring. So the observation is we have to write as many tests as possible, full length tests with respect to the ethics paper. That is one thing which we have to observe. See, currently, practicing answers, covering syllabus, as well as optional becomes very difficult, especially for those students who have cleared the prelims for the first time, or these are the first. It is if it is their first mains. So handling all these together is a big challenge. Then how to strategize our preparation? See, we can do two things here. One is writing as many tests as possible with respect to ethics as well as essay. See, a target should always be 150 for both of them, especially ethics and essay. And that's definitely a score giver, I can say, because somebody is landing up with 105, 107, and narrowly lost after the interview. We can clearly observe that 100, that means it is almost like 43 marks less than the 150. Or even the essay also, somehow some students are stuck at 120, etc. We have to see to that you get 150. So sit with your previous answer sheets, what you have written, try analyzing where you have gone wrong, especially with respect to essay and ethics. Next important aspect is reading the optional in 6 to 7 days. So this reading the optional in 6 to 7 days, especially for the first timers. So in one reading, we have to complete the paper one part of your optional in just 5 to 6 days. I'm saying reading. I'm not saying you're completely assimilating everything, because this will give us confidence that okay, I have read the syllabus once. Now that's very important, because the most of the time, the first timers who are writing mains will lose confidence in this battle because they feel 65 days is not sufficient for the battle. So therefore, 6 solid days in one go, if you can finish off the first paper reading, I'm saying not assimilation of every area, but once you read, we will get a fair idea of what is there in the syllabus. The next important thing, don't get diverted based on the question papers of mock tests. I don't support any mock tests. I'm not saying you should not write any mock tests. You should be taking mock tests, but at the same time, from 2012, 13 till 2019, just observe previous UPSC mains questions, how they are coming, what is the trend, what kind of questions. At the same time, check the optional question papers also. For example, economics optional, economic service questions getting repeated in general studies. Okay, even the history optional questions have got repeated in general studies mains. So just go through some simple questions can come down. So just first go through the question papers. Second thing is, just because there is something in the syllabus, it's not going to get reflected in the exam, in the mains paper. That's very very important. See why? Because we have seen the question papers of the previous years. So no too complicated questions. But currently, since many coaching institutes we are coming up with making content, it's all good. But so much of content every day. For example, on Corona, etc., etc. So much of content is coming. That does not mean the question will come up from straight from the current affair. The question will come only if it is mentioned in the syllabus. Now just check the syllabus areas and have a short notes with respect to each area of the syllabus. For example, SNT, biotechnology, etc. Some 5577 lines, short notes on these areas. If ready-made material is available, benefits, okay, applications, etc. with respect to biotech. Like that, the whole syllabus should be. For example, land reforms, what kind of questions I've asked, okay, success, failures, okay, and why it failed, etc. So like that, whatever is mentioned in the syllabus, that is asked. Just because something is there in the current affairs is not getting reflected, so don't waste your time. Go according to the syllabus. Go according to the syllabus. Very very important. Another important aspect which I wanted to mention was uh, the paper one. Paper one. except we generally neglect society, but there are many questions that are coming up in society and which are pretty much we can do it well, we can increase our score. So please focus on Indian society, and at the same time we can't bluff anything in paper one, because therefore some amount of specific reading time has to be given for paper one. So that please keep that in mind, that in paper one, especially history, etc., you need to be a little careful, some revision is needed. So paper 2 and paper 3, it is better we do a selective study based on the syllabus. Selective study. And ethics paper, we are going to write as many tests as possible. Optional, target 280. First paper revision in 6 days for confidence. So that's all. I don't want to take much of your time because you people are going to write it this year, and we hardly have 65 days. And I hope, and the first timers, when prelims is getting tougher and tougher year after year, this attempt when you have cleared prelims is a blessing, and we never know what's going to happen every year. So this is an opportunity, though you have not prepared for mains completely. Everybody is same in the mains exam. If we have little writing skill and just focus on what we can do the best. So keep that confidence, maintain your health, which is the most important thing. Maintain your calm and prepare selectively. And I wish you all success. All the best. Thank you.